Okay, question number 1. Did all of you solve it? Question number 1. Okay,
Yes,
so the
sir.
question
Yes,
is,
sir.
Priti reached the metro station and found that the escalator was not working. She walked up the stationary escalator in time t1. On other days, if she remains stationary on the moving escalator, then the escalator takes her up in time t2. The time taken by her to walk up on the moving escalator will be how much? So try to understand the question properly. So this Priti, so the question is about, 3 ways of walking. First, escalator is at rest, Priti is walking. Second, Priti is at rest with respect to standing on escalator and the escalator is moving. And third, escalator is moving and on the escalator Priti is moving. Understanding the difference? So the 3 ways. So first she walked up the stationary escalator in time t1. Achha, so Priti is walking. Let Priti's walking speed be v1. Priti's walking speed be v1. So when only Priti is walking, she is taking how much time? T1. That means S equal to V1 T1. Achha, now second, she remains stationary on the moving escalator and the escalator takes time T2. है ना? अब ये प्रीति का स्पीड था. प्रीति. Next, escalator. Let's say the escalator. So she is standing, escalator is moving, and it takes time T2. So S equal to V2 T2. As a third, time taken by her to walk up on the moving escalator. Acha. In third case, she is also moving on escalator and the escalator is also moving. So now effectively at what speed they are moving? Effectively Priti is moving with V1 plus V2 speed, isn't it? So now time will be, we can write down this as S equal to V1 plus V2 into T3. That T3 we want to find. That T3 we want to find. So T3 kitna hoga? So T3 will be S by V1 plus. अब V1 डाल दो. V1 कितना? V1 यहाँ से देखो S by T1. V2 is how much? Look from here. S by T2. So this comes out to be how much? कितना? T1 T2 divided by T2 plus T1. How many of you got it? Raise your hand. So answer will be option B. Okay, 9 participants. Shubham, Isani, Kishwari, Akanksha, Vijay Lakshmi, Mausumi, Kamlesh, Soumya Tapaswini, Subhasri. Okay, 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 very good, very good. Let's continue. Acha, question number 2. Two cars P and Q start from a point at the same time in a straight line and positions are represented by. अच्छा, P का position दिया हुआ है, Q का position दिया हुआ है. अच्छा, at what time do the cars have same velocity? Oh, when is their velocity same? Such a simple question. So first find velocity and then equate them and find the time. Okay, okay. So how to do it? How to do it? Okay, so Abhijit is telling C. Okay, let me find.
No, sir,
So-
sir, B. Sir, B.
I know. Achha. Okay, I know how to find velocity. Velocity is, who knows the formula for velocity? D by dt of x, है ना? अच्छा, तो P is velocity. Differentiate xp. How much it is? A
Plus 2BT.
plus 2bt. अच्छा, Q का velocity. It is differentiate dxq. Q का x को differentiation करो. ये, तो how much it is? F minus 2t. अच्छा, the question is, when do they have same velocity? अच्छा, तो equate their velocity. A plus 2bt equal to F minus 2t. So it is t equal to F minus A by 2b plus 2. देखो कौन सा ऑप्शन? F minus
D.
A, F minus A by option D. Number 3. If the velocity of a particle is v, where A and B are constants, then distance traveled by it between 1 second and 2 second. अच्छा, 1 सेकंड से लेके 2 सेकंड तक कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल किया, ठीक है, वेलोसिटी दिया हुआ है ना, तो वेलोसिटी से डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल कैसे निकालते हैं, जस्ट लाइक x दिया हुआ है तो v निकालना जानते हैं, a निकालना जानते हैं, सिमिलरली v से भी हम s निकाल सकते हैं. Try 1 minute, I am giving you 1 minute. Hence, try to remember that formula where v and x and t are there. We know three equations: v equal to dx by dt, a equal to dv by dt, and a equal to v dv by dx. Out of these three, try to choose that equation where v is there, x is there, and t is there, because the question is regarding v, x, and t, and given v.
Sir, A.
Acha, Vijay Lakshmi is telling A. What about others?
A.
Yes, sir.
What about
Sir, A.
Sure. Acha, let me solve. So the question is about given v, to find distance between time 1 and 2. So I will use the formula, है ना, v दिया हुआ है, डाल देंगे 80 plus vt square equal to dx by dt, and then dx can be written as 80 plus vt square into dt. Then I will integrate limit, टाइम का लिमिट दिया हुआ है 1 सेकेंड से 2 सेकेंड, 1 सेकेंड to 2 सेकेंड, x का लिमिट x1 to x2. So left hand side I will get x2 minus x1, and right hand side first I will get 80 square by 2 plus bt cube by 3. This I will get after doing integration, and then after putting the limits, let me see how much I will get. So first put 2, so this comes out to be 2a plus 4b by 3. Sorry, not 4b, it is 8b by 3. It is 8b by 3, and then after putting 1, a by 2 plus b by 3. So 2a minus a by 2, that is 3a by 2. 8b by 3 minus b by 3, that is 7b by 3. So the answer is option A. Yes, how many of you got it? अच्छा, सौम्य, तपस्विनी, कमलेश, मृण्मय, पार्थसारथी, मौसमी, स्वयं सिद्धा, शुभम, very nice, very nice, very nice. Okay. Okay, question number 4. So we are solving previous year question bank. If you can solve, if you can do all this, then you have confidence. चलो, question number 4 solve करो.
Sir, option D.
Sir, D. D.
Anyone got the answer?
Yes, sir. D.
Sir, D.
Achha, so the question is a particle of unit mass. A particle of unit mass. Unit mass means mass equal to 1 kg. Yeah? Mass equal to 1 kg. Undergoes one-dimensional motion such that its velocity, velocity is given, where beta and n are constant and x is the position of the particle. The acceleration of the particle is a function. Question is to find out acceleration. So which formula? I had said you. There are three formulas: b equal to dx by dt, a equal to dp by dt, and a equal to v dp by dx. Which formula to be used here? Which formula to be used here?
A equal to V dV by dx.
Yeah, so a equal to b dp by dx. So just use it. So a is how, v is how much? Beta x to the power minus 2n, and then d by dx of beta x to the power minus 2n. अच्छा, so this comes out to be beta बाहर आ जाएगा, तो beta square x to the power minus 2n, and then x to the power minus 2n का differentiation, x to the power minus 2n का differentiation, how much? It is minus 2n into x to the power minus 2n minus 1. So this is minus 2 beta square n x to the power minus 4n minus 1. देखो where it is. Option D. Option D. है ना? How many of you have got it? अच्छा. Okay, very nice. Very nice. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Okay, this time, let me see who does the question. सबसे पहले कौन करता है, that I will see. So if anyone solves, then you tell your answer. Tell your option. Okay, चलो question number 5. Question number 5.
Option D.
Option D. अच्छा, तो अभिजीत, हाँ, अभिजीत. अच्छा.
Sir, option
Okay,
D.
so first the answer is okay. So Abhijit comes first this time. Okay, so you tell your name and then you tell the answer so that I understand कि कौन बोल रहा है ना? Okay, now question number 5. Question number 5. Yes, the answer is D. So this I had solved in class. If you remember, a stone falls freely under gravity. It covers distances h1, h2, h3 in the first 5 seconds, the next 5 seconds, and the next 5 seconds. Then what is the relation between h1, h2, h3? Okay. Do you remember I had taught you about Galileo's ratio? I had taught you about Galileo's ratio. Do you remember? If a body is dropped from top of a building, then distance traveled by it in equal time interval, the ratio will be 1:3:5:7:9. ...
Yes, sir.
I had said you about Galileo's ratio, right? The same question. So here we are taking, ratio of distances traveled in equal time interval. Here, what is the equal time interval? 5 seconds. Whatever may be the equal time interval, the ratio should be 1:3:5:7. So directly this is the answer. Why to solve it? We already know it. How many of you remember that I had solved this in class? याद है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Acha, if someone is not able to understand something, please ask. If you have question, why this question is solved like this, why not that, है ना? इधर ये वैल्यू क्यों लिए, वो वैल्यू क्यों नहीं लिए, वो वैल्यू लेते तो क्या होता? किसी का कुछ भी क्वेश्चन हो पूछ सकते हो. This class is for that. चलो, next. Question number 6. Yes.
sir, B. 6B.
अच्छा B sure.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, B.
अच्छा तो who is telling Vijay Lakshmi and Abhijit? Okay, let me find out. Let me find out. So the question is the displacement of the particle. The displacement of the particle when its velocity is 0. Okay, we need to find out displacement when its velocity is 0. तो first let me find out the time when the velocity is 0. तो इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं root x equal to t minus 3. अच्छा तो x equal to t minus 3 का होल स्क्वायर. अच्छा तो velocity equal to dx by dt. तो dx by dt कितना होगा 2 into t minus 3, right? This is velocity. अच्छा when velocity will be 0? Now velocity will be 0 at time equal to 3 second. अच्छा तो time equal to 3 second. ठीक है. So basically the question is what will be the displacement when velocity is 0? अच्छा मतलब time 0 से लेके time 3 second तक how much it has got displaced. Okay. तो देखो t equal to root x plus 3. So put t equal to 3 here. How much you are getting? How much you are getting?
Sir, 0.
0. है ना? अच्छा. So the answer will be this. Is it clear? सबको समझ में
Yes,
आया?
sir.
अच्छा. तो this was a easy question. I think if you solve it like this, then it becomes easy, right? If you solve it like this, then it becomes easy. चलो. Solve question number 7.
Sir, option D.
Sir, option D.
D.
Question number 7. Option D. Who
Yes.
gave the answer first?
Comless.
Achha, Kamlesh. So how many students are there in the class? Oh, there are so many students. Why 2 students are only answering? Okay. Let me see. So the question is, x is given. Retardation निकालो. Retardation कब निकालो? When velocity is 0. अच्छा. तो सबसे पहले velocity निकाल लेते हैं. तो velocity क्या होगा? dx by dt. अच्छा dx by dt तो कितना होगा? dx by dt. So here it will be 12 minus 3t square. अच्छा, so this is velocity. अच्छा, when velocity is 0? Velocity is 0 when t square equal to 4. So t equal to 2. अच्छा, तो velocity is 0 at time equal to 2. अच्छा, what I need to do with this? Retardation निकालो. अच्छा, retardation. तो acceleration निकालो. Oh, acceleration is how much? dv by dt. dv by dt. Okay, so dv इतना उसका डिफरेंशिएशन तो -60. ओके -60. t को 2 डालो इसमें, so this comes out to be -12. okay, so acceleration is -12 meter per second square. That means retardation is 12 meter per second square. So the answer will be D. How many of you understood this? Raise your hand. How many of you understood it? Raise your hand. okay, सबको समझ में आना जरूरी है ना? okay, कमलेश, पार्थ, विजय लक्ष्मी, ईशानी. Okay, Subhasri, Nirmay, Akanksha. Where is Swagat? Is Swagat not present today? Swagat, is he not present today? Prayas Ranjan, are you not present today? Prayas Ranjan. Prayas Ranjan, where are you? Swagat, where are you? Swayam Siddha, where are you? Swayam Siddha.
Yes, sir.
I am asking Swayam Siddha. Swayam Siddha Singh. Where is she? Okay, ठीक है. I think some students are missing. Let's continue. Okay, go to question number 8 and 9.
Option B.
Sir, option B. Option D.
Option B, sir.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, let others solve, और 1 मिनट वेट करेंगे. Question number 8, direct formula. Question number 8, direct formula. Yes, chalo. I had said you to remember 4 formulas. First, ground से अगर फेंका जाए, if we throw something from ground, then I had said you to remember 2 formulas. Time of flight, how much? 2u by g. Maximum height, how much?
U
U square by 2g. Huh. Similarly, I had said you to remember 2 more formulas. If the ball is dropped from height edge, इधर से अगर छोड़ दिया जाए तो कितना? Velocity when it reaches ground, how much? Root 2gh. And time of flight, how much? Root over 2h by g. Right? These 4 things I had said you to remember. Acha, here which one to use? Velocity with which it hits the ground. Acha, this one, root 2gh. So root 2gh use karo. So root 2 into 10 into height into 20. So how much is that? 20. So answer is option B. Who had got this answer? I think Kamlesh and Vijay Lakshmi. Who else? Okay, so many participants. Nice to see that. Kiranjyoti, Ipsita, Abhijit, Akanksha, Mrinmay. Okay, Isani, Mrinmay, Kamlesh. Okay, Kishwari, Soumya, Tapaswini, Kamlesh Patra and Kamlesh Sahu both. Okay, very nice. Let's go to question number 9.
C.
And C.
Sir, C.
Sir, C.
Okay, a particle covers half of its total distance with speed v1 and the rest half distance with speed v2. Average speed how much? Okay. So it's like, from here to here travels with v1, distance is s, and from here to here again the distance is s and it travels with v2. I need to find out average speed. Average speed means total distance by total time. अच्छा, अब यहाँ का time निकालो, यहाँ का time t1 plus t2. t1 is how much? t1 is s by v1. t2 is how much? s by v2. अच्छा, so this will come out to be 2 v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. अच्छा, where is the answer? Option C. आगे चले. How many of you are with me? How many of you are with me? And how many of you are feeling sleepy or you have already slept? Raise your hand. How will you raise your hand if you are sleeping? Chalo. Question 10. इसको solve करो.
Sir, A.
Abhijit is telling A. Others prove him wrong.
Sir, यार आंसर टा नहीं.
अच्छा, देखिए कैलकुलेट करिवा. Question number 10. X is given, you have to find out acceleration. So we know dx by dt will give us velocity and then dv by dt will give us acceleration. So let's solve. So velocity, it will be dx by dt. So dx by dt कितना? हाँ, here we have to apply chain rule. So t plus 5 whole to the power minus 1. तो इसका differentiation होगा t plus 5 whole to the power minus 2. ये है velocity. अच्छा, then acceleration is dv by dt. Yes. तो इसका होगा, हाँ इधर -1 भी होगा, इसका होगा 2 into t plus 5 whole to the power -3. Okay, so x is how much? X is t plus 5 whole to the power -1. Velocity how much we got? Velocity we got t plus 5, सामने भी minus and to the power -2. Acceleration how much we got? 2 into t plus 5 whole to the power -3. अच्छा, अब देखते हैं कि ये एक्सेलरेशन जो है क्या है, ये क्या ये वेलोसिटी का टू द पावर 3/2 है? अच्छा अच्छा, डालते हैं। ये t plus 5, इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं? तो from here what can I write down? I can write down b equal to 1 by or minus b equal to 1 by t plus 5 to the power 2, है ना? b can be written like this. Okay, and here acceleration is, let me solve here, 2 divided by t plus 5 to the power -3. Oh sorry, plus 3. If it goes down then it will be plus 3. Acha. So this can be written as 2 into 1 by t plus 5 to the power 2 into 3/2, है ना? So this can be written as 1 by, इधर देखो 1 by t plus 5 का square, that means -b, so this can be written as -b by 2. So this can be written as minus जो भी है 2 into b to the power 3/2. So it's proportional to, so it's proportional to b to the power 3/2. तो ऑप्शन ए होगा। समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So answer will be
Yes,
A.
sir.
Okay, let's go to next one. Question number 11. अच्छा, तो अभिजीत
Sir, option A.
Option A.
Sir, option A.
Option A.
अच्छा ठीक है, सॉल्व करते हैं। A ball is dropped from a high-rise platform at t equal to 0 state of rest. After 6 seconds, another ball is thrown downwards from the same platform with speed v. The two balls meet at t equal to 18 seconds. What is the value of v? अच्छा, so it's like this. So from here, first ball is dropped at t equal to 0. Second ball is not dropped. So for first ball u is 0. For second ball it's v. It's v. And time is how much? 6 seconds. है ना? First ball dropped at t equal to 0. Second ball dropped at t equal to 6 seconds. अच्छा, first ball का velocity 0. Second ball का initial velocity v. Okay, done. This much. अच्छा, the two balls meet at 18 seconds. At 18 seconds they meet somewhere here. Let's say this distance is s. And at t equal to 18 seconds they meet. Okay. So he's asking what is the value of v. ठीक है, तो दोनों का s इक्वल है, तो वही दोनों के लिए s लिख के इक्वल कर देंगे। तो पहले के लिए s क्या होगा? ut plus half at square, तो पहले के लिए तो 0 है, See, I am choosing this as my positive y direction. This is my origin for both. So for first, s will be ut plus half at square. Ut तो 0 है, half at square. Half at square ये 5t square होगा. For second, it will be ut plus half at square. इसके लिए u है b. T. Sorry, we can put the value of t here. We can put the value of t here. How much? T is 8 and second. For second, vt, t is 12 second, plus half a, that is 5, into t square, that is 12 ka square. Is this, did everyone understand this? I have written s for both and I have equated them.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See how much this comes out to be. So 12b comes out to be 5 into 18 square minus 12 square. So v will be ये कितना 5 into 18 square minus 12 square कितना होगा 6 into 30 by 12. So 6 to 18 75. So option A. Is everyone clear? Is everyone clear? Raise your hand. How many of you are clear? And ask me any question if you have. Ask me any question if you have. See, for second ball, instead of t18, I am putting t as 12. You understand why? Because it started at 6 seconds and now the time is 18 seconds. So it has traveled the time of 12 seconds. So when we write s equal to ut plus half at square, there the t is for the traveled time. How much time it has traveled? It is not that you know what is the time now. अभी 10:45 हुआ है तो उधर t को 10:45 डालेंगे, ऐसा नहीं है. जब से उसने मोशन स्टार्ट किया तब से अब तक कितना टाइम हुआ, इन दैट सेंस दैट इज द t. Okay, let's go ahead. Question number 12. Question number 12 and 13.
Option B.
किए कौची?
Kamlesh.
Sir, D.
कमलेश साहू ना कमलेश पात्र?
Shau.
Okay, question number 12. So Abhijit is telling B and Vijay Lakshmi is telling? Abhijit is telling B.
Sir, D.
Vijay Lakshmi is telling D. What about Kamlesh?
B.
So Kamlesh is telling
One.
B.
Sir, B.
So 2 votes for B. So who is telling Ipsita?
Yes, sir.
Acha, so 3 votes for B and 1 vote for D. Okay, who else? Okay, let me solve. A particle starts its motion from rest under the action of a constant force. Constant force. Constant force means constant acceleration also. It means uniformly accelerated motion. Okay. The distance covered in first 10 seconds is s1 and that covered in the first 20 seconds is s2. अच्छा, तो क्या होगा? Okay. Galileo's ratio याद करो. Galileo's ratio. First 10 second में कितना ट्रेवल किया? फर्स्ट 10 सेकंड में ट्रेवल किया कितना s1. अच्छा, फर्स्ट 20 seconds how much it traveled? s2. अच्छा, okay, so now if I take equal time interval 10 second, then in first 10 seconds it traveled s1, in second 10 seconds it traveled s2 minus s1, है ना? And this ratio should be how much? याद है ना? ये रेशियो कितना होगा? 1:3:5. 1:3:5. तो s1 by s2 minus s1 equal to 1/3. या फिर चलो ये ज्यादा लंबा हो जाएगा, इसको ऐसे डायरेक्टली कर लेंगे. चलो, अच्छा, u is 0, a is a, तो S1 is the distance travel in first 10 सेकेंड, तो ut प्लस हाफ at स्क्वायर, तो ut वाला टर्म तो जीरो होगा, प्लस हाफ at स्क्वायर है ना, ये तो जीरो होगा, ये हाफ at स्क्वायर कितना आ जाएगा, a/2 इंटू 10 का स्क्वायर। अच्छा S2 कितना होगा, ये भी ut प्लस हाफ at स्क्वायर, ut प्लस हाफ at स्क्वायर, तो ut तो जीरो है, ये कितना आएगा a/2 इंटू t कितना 20 का स्क्वायर। अच्छा फिर रेशियो पूछ रहा है ना, तो देख लो S1/2 कितना, S1/2 कितना 10 का स्क्वायर बाय 20 का स्क्वायर, तो 1/4, तो S2 is 4S1, तो ऑप्शन बी। Is this clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, solve question number 13.
Sir, B.
So Abhijit is telling B. What about others?
Sir, D.
Sir, B.
D. अच्छा Abhijit is telling
D.
D. So question number 13, it is a question of relative velocity. बस का स्पीड है 10, बस का स्पीड 10 एंड स्कूटर का स्पीड लेट इट बी v, सेपरेशन 1 किलोमीटर, टाइम टू ओवरटेक 100 सेकेंड, तो वी नो x relative equal to b relative into t. जैसे for one vehicle it is x equal to bt, for two vehicles it is x relative equal to b relative t. So x relative is how much, 1 kilometer. b relative is how much, b minus 10, t कितना 100, how much, so b minus 10 equal to 10,
Sir, 20.
so b equal to 20, option D. Does anyone have any question here? Achha, let's continue. Go to the next question. Achha, I think this is taking more time. What we will do, all of you solve, it will be better if you solve all these questions at home and let us discuss only those questions which you cannot solve. है ना, आज के लिए तो ऐसे कर लेते हैं, लेकिन आज घर में जाके आप इसको ट्राई करो, and those questions which you can solve yourself, that's fine, and those questions which you cannot solve, I think that let's solve in the class, that will be better. Anyway, let's continue today. Question number 14.
Sir, B.
Sir, option B. Option B.
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 Option B. How you are solving? What kind of motion it is? It is constant accelerated motion, right? So for constant accelerated motion, you have initial velocity, you have final velocity, you have distance traveled, and the question is about finding t. So which equation to be used? Which equation?
Sir, first
Use
third.
equation. S equal to one is you can use either S equal to ut plus half at square, or b square equal to u square plus 2as. Better you use this one. S equal to u plus b by 2 into t. Use this equation. This is another equation. So here we have used S, distance traveled, equal to average velocity into t. Distance traveled equal to average velocity into t. और ये average velocity का formula है u plus v by 2. That is the formula for average velocity. है ना, तो डाल दो. S is 135, u is 10, v is 20 by 2 into t, है ना. So how much is this? T equal to 135 by 15. कितना
Sir, 9.
9.
Yeah, so it's 9. Okay, so continue next one. Yeah. So the distance traveled by particle starting from rest, moving with distance this much in the third second. Third second माने एडे को फॉर्मूला लगाबो s nth equal to u plus half a into 2n minus 1 মনে আছে না
Yes, sir.
এডে ফর্মুলা लगाबो s nth equal to u plus half a into 2n minus 1 लगाबो तो लगेले हि जिवो बस अच्छा मते कहिलो थर्ड सेकंड आउ 3 seconds ए जदी क्वेश्चन दे था इन 3 seconds find out distance travel in 3 seconds ए भितर डिफरेंस कोन थर्ड सेकंड और 3 seconds
थर्ड सेकंड होची sk minus s2
हां थर्ड 3 seconds अर्थ होची 0 से लेके 3 सेकंड तक थर्ड सेकंड अर्थ होची 2 सेकंड रु 3 सेकंड दिस इज द डिफरेंस एडा third second nth second this is for nth second and up to n seconds for that the formula is s equal to ut plus half it square ut plus half it square है ना for this we have to use this for this we have to use this है ना चलो चलो next one question number 16 16 ऑप्शन कौन अच्छा ओ ऑप्शन गुडा को दूर रह गला ठीक अछि प्रथमे सॉल्व करो तापर ऑप्शन देखिबा
सर हाफ f नॉट कैपिटल T
Sir, half.
हाफ f नॉट कैपिटल T अच्छा अच्छा मो कहीं के खाली अभिजीत आउ विजय लक्ष्मी रो आंसर सुनछि अभिजीत विजय लक्ष्मी कमलेश साउ I think only these three people are answering. What about others? Are all of you there in class? Okay, you are there in class. Acha, are you solving? No. Question number 16. Question number 16. Okay, half f naught t. Half. Okay, let's see. Let me solve. A particle is moving, has acceleration. Achha, so this is basically acceleration. The particle t equal to 0 has 0 velocity. Achha, initial velocity 0. In the interval between 0 second and the instant when acceleration is 0, the particle's velocity is how much? In the time interval between t equal to 0 second and the instant when s equal to 0, the particle's velocity vx is how much? Okay, so here the question is not clear. The question is not clear in the sense he is asking the particle's velocity and he is giving an interval. He is asking the particle's velocity and he is giving an interval. So now giving interval means it is asking average velocity. Not giving interval means it's just asking instantaneous velocity. So here from the question, it seems like he's asking
So
which
average
velocity?
velocity.
Average velocity. So did you solve to find out average velocity or did you find instantaneous velocity? What you found?
So average velocity.
Average velocity you found? Sure? Okay, let's solve. So here, acha, acceleration is given. तो acceleration is, it is f naught into 1 minus t by tau, t by small t by capital T. अच्छा, acceleration can be written as a dv by dt. So dv by dt is f naught into 1 minus small t by capital T. अच्छा, तो from here we can find out velocity. तो velocity क्या होगा? f naught into 1 minus t by capital T into dt. अच्छा, limit from 0 to t. So this comes out to be,
Sir, 0 to capital T.
हाँ, why 0 to capital T?
Sir,
F
when f equal to 0, then t equal to capital T.
Okay, so if you are putting capital T, that means you are not finding velocity at any time t. You are finding velocity at that particular time capital T. That means you are not finding average velocity. You are finding instantaneous velocity. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So if you are putting here as, you know, that's what I was thinking कि ये question में कुछ गड़बड़ है. If you are putting here as capital T, if you are putting here capital T, that means capital T is a particular instant, है ना? That means you are finding what is the velocity at time capital T. अच्छा, from where you got that time capital T? It's the instant when velocity is 0, right? It is an instant when the velocity is 0. So when is this 0? So this is 0 at t equal to t. From there you got, right?
Yes, sir.
So it's velocity at capital T. So this comes out to be, okay, f naught into t minus t square by 2. Put limit 0 to t. So this comes out to be f naught t minus, this is t by 2. So this is f naught t by 2. है ना? So actually this is not instantaneous, this is not average velocity. This is not velocity in the time interval 0 to this much. This is the velocity at time this much. So this is final velocity, or you can tell, you know, instantaneous velocity. This is not average velocity. Got it? तो ये क्वेश्चन को चेंज करो, ये क्वेश्चन को चेंज करो. In the time interval between t equal to 0 ऐसे नहीं लिख के लिखो इसको ऐसे लिखो. इतना काट दो, इधर लिखो. At the instant when f equal to 0, particles velocity is how much? जब acceleration 0 है तब velocity कितना? ठीक है? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अच्छा, let's go to next question. Solve. Question number 17. Solve.
Sir, B.
Sir,
D.
B. এবং
Question number 17. How much you are getting?
D.
Sir, D. Sir, D.
A car moves from x to y with a uniform speed pu and returns to y with uniform speed pd. The average speed for this round trip is, अच्छा, average speed. So total distance by total time, है ना? Simple. Total distance by total time. Average. So total distance जाते वक्त s, आते वक्त s 2s. अच्छा, while going time is s by vu, while returning s by vd. So this will be, अब कुछ देर पहले कैलकुलेट किए थे, है ना? ऑप्शन डी. अच्छा, is it clear? Solve,
Yes, sir.
solve next
Yes,
one.
sir.
Solve next one. Solve question number 18 and 19. दोनों solve. 18 and 19.
Sir, 18A.
Sir, 18A,
9
19A.
18A. So 19A.
Okay, I'm not. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question number
Yes, sir.
18.
Sir, 18A, 19A. 19A.
18A, 19A.
19A.
Acha, the position of a particle with respect to time is given. Okay, position is given. What will be the position of this particle when it achieves maximum speed along positive direction? Acha, so first to find out speed, है ना? Then find out when is maximum speed. Find out the time, and then put that time and put that time, है ना? So the question is, what will be the position of this particle when it achieves maximum speed along positive x direction? Okay. So first let's find out the speed or velocity. So velocity is dx by dt. How much it is? It is 18t minus 30 square. It is 18t minus 30 square. So what will be the position of this particle when it achieves maximum speed? Okay. So this is speed. This is speed. Okay. Now I want to know when this will be maximum. When this will be maximum. So how do I know when something will be maximum? When its differentiation is 0. So V will be maximum. V will be maximum if dB by dt is 0. Achha, so dB by dt, that is 18 minus 60 equal to 0. That is t equal to 3. So I understood that speed will be maximum when time is 3. Achha, at that time I need to find out position. Okay, 3 डाल दो इसमें. So x equal to 9 into 3 का square minus 3 का cube. So 81 minus 3 का cube कितना? 27. So how much is this?
54.
54. So answer A. Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Question number 19. Two bodies A and B are dropped from heights this and this. the ratio of the time taken by them to reach the ground is. अच्छा ठीक है, ये तो सिंपल है ना, करो करो करो, डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला। चलो 19 20 21 सॉल्व करो। 19 20 21
Sir, 19A, 20C और 21 होची A.
So you're doing 19A, okay, 20C and 21A. Okay, let's solve. So 19 we know the time. 19 time का फॉर्मूला क्या है ना, रूट ओवर ऑफ 2h by g, रूट ओवर ऑफ 2h by g. It doesn't matter whether the body is 1 kg or 3 kg. So the first body, it is falling from height 16, तो t1 होगा रूट ओवर ऑफ 2 into 16 by g. अच्छा t2 होगा, it's falling from 25, अच्छा ये होगा रूट ओवर ऑफ 2 into 25 by g, है ना. Then take the ratio t1 by t2. So it is 2 by g cancel हो जाएगा, है ना, root over of 16 by 25. So this will be 4 by 5. This will be 4 by 5. Option A. अच्छा, is this clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, come to question
Yes,
number
sir.
21. Sorry, this was 19. 20. A car runs at a constant speed on a circular track of radius 100 meter. Achha, radius 100 meter, taking 62.8 seconds for every circular lap. Achha, so this is the time period. The average velocity and average speed for each circular lap is how much? Achha. So average velocity. Achha, average velocity means displacement by time. Achha, after one loop, the displacement will be 0.
0.
तो आंसर सी, तो वेलोसिटी 0 होगा, लेकिन स्पीड, एवरेज स्पीड कुछ तो रहेगा, तो आंसर सी होगा. डन, कैलकुलेट में करूंगा ही नहीं. व्हाई विल आई कैलकुलेट? आई नो एवरेज वेलोसिटी विल बी 0 बट एवरेज स्पीड विल बी समथिंग. तो उसी तरह का एक ही ऑप्शन है जिसमें पहला वाला 0 और दूसरे वाले का कुछ वैल्यू है, तो हो गया. इज दिस क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 21 and 22. 21. A particle moves along a straight line OX at a time t. The distance of the particle is given by this much. How long would the particle travel before coming to rest? Acha. So question is to find distance till it comes to rest. Simple. पहले रेस्ट पे जब आएगा वो टाइम निकाल लो, फिर 0 से लेके वो टाइम तक का x को माइनस कर लो. लेट मी सॉल्व. तो x अगर इतना है तो वेलोसिटी कितना होगा? वेलोसिटी होगा 12 minus 3t square. 12 minus 3t square है वेलोसिटी. वेलोसिटी 0 कब होगा? वेलोसिटी 0 होगा देखो जब t 2 सेकेंड्स होगा, जब टाइम 2 सेकेंड्स होगा. अच्छा, तो 2 सेकेंड पे कहाँ पे है वो निकाल लो. अच्छा, 0 सेकेंड पे कहाँ पे है? 0 सेकेंड पे
40.
0 सेकेंड पे देखो 40. अच्छा, 2 सेकेंड पे कहाँ पे है? 2 सेकेंड पे x equal to 40 plus 12 into 2 that is 24 minus 2 into 2 का cube, then minus 8. So how much it is? 24 minus 18, that
56.
is 16, 56. 56 तो 40 पे था, 56 पे चला गया, तो it is 16. 16. अच्छा, here a common mistake is now students find out this time when velocity is 0 and they find 2 seconds and then they put 2 seconds and they get 56 and then they t को टिक लगा के आ जाते हैं, वो गलत है. क्वेश्चन में वो पूछा है कि डिस्टेंस कितना ट्रैवल किया, फाइनल पोजीशन नहीं पूछा. तो ये जो आया t equal to 2 डालने के बाद that is फाइनल पोजीशन 56. क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड हाउ मच इट इज ट्रैवल्ड. तो फिर इनिशियल पोजीशन को माइनस करना होगा ना, ये 40, तो आंसर 16 आएगा, आंसर 56 नहीं होगा. फाइनल पोजीशन पूछता देन आंसर वुड हैव बीन 56. डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल्ड पूछा इसलिए 56 माइनस इनिशियल वैल्यू 40, दैट इज 16. क्लियर? ओके.
So 22A.
22.
A. अच्छा, a ball is thrown vertically upward. It has a speed of this much. When it has reached 1/2 of its maximum height, how high does the ball rise? अच्छा, a ball is thrown vertically upward. It has a speed of 10 meters per second when it has reached 1/2. अच्छा अच्छा, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. मान लो कि ये पूरा हाइट है, ये पूरा हाइट है. He is telling that when it is reached here the velocity is how much? Here it is 10. ओके, ठीक है. तो मान लो ये h है, ये h है, तो पूरा 2h है. अच्छा, अब यहाँ से h निकाल सकते हैं. h कितना, v²/2g होगा. याद करो, बॉल को नीचे से फेंका गया तो टाइम कितना होगा, मैक्सिमम हाइट कितना होगा, तो v²/2g. तो ये कितना आ गया, 10 का स्क्वायर by 20. How much is that? 5 आया. हाँ, तो h is 5. So total height is asking. So total height is 10. ठीक है? Is this clear? Let's
Yes,
go
sir.
to next one. अच्छा, why I am not hearing sound from anyone else? Only 2-3 people in the class are talking. हाँ, ठीक है. एक काम करो, 23 से लेके 30 तक सॉल्व करो और फिर पूछो. 23 से लेके 30 तक सॉल्व करो. सबके पास किताब है, सॉल्व करो. जिसके पास किताब नहीं है वो इधर से देखो. 23 से लेके 30 तक करो. Yes. Question number 23. Is it solved? 23. Is it solved?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Acha.
Option D.
Yes, sir. Option D.
Option D. Okay, let's see. The displacement of a particle varies as given. The velocity of the particle. Acha, what is happening to velocity? Okay, चलो velocity निकाल देते हैं. So velocity is how much? Dx by dt. Dx by dt. So how much it will be? ये है d by dt of कितना? A into e to the power minus alpha t plus b into e to the power beta t. Okay, so a minus alpha e to the power minus alpha t plus b beta e to the power beta t, है ना? So how much it is? This can be written as b beta into e to the power beta t minus a alpha by e to the power alpha t. Clear? अच्छा, now first option is it is independent of beta. ना, beta तो है. Second option it drops to 0 when alpha equal to beta. अच्छा, अल्फा और बीटा अगर इक्वल हो जाएंगे तो क्या ये 0 हो जाएगा? ना, ना.
No, sir.
Third, go on decreasing with time. अच्छा, टाइम के साथ डिक्रीज होता हुआ जा रहा है. Is it? Let's see. If time increases, then first part increases. है ना? If time increases, then first part increases. अच्छा, this denominator decreases, so this total term increases. Sorry. This denominator increases, so this total term decreases. So now we have to subtract a lesser number. So the total term increases. So as time increases, velocity also increases. So option D होगा. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Go to the next one. Question number 24.
24A.
Sir, 24A.
Achha, let's solve. A man throws balls with same speed vertically upward one after the other at an interval of 2 seconds. Yes, juggler kind of question. I had said you. So delta t time gap दिया हुआ है 2 सेकेंड. What would be the speed of throw? U कितना? So that more than 2 balls are in the sky at any time. अच्छा, more than 2 balls are in the sky at any time. So let's say there are 3 balls in the sky. है ना? Let's say there are 3 balls in the sky. So let's calculate. So that more than 2 balls are in the sky at any time. Okay. So let's say there are 3 balls, and he is now throwing the 4th ball. So he has thrown the first ball, and then second ball, and now he throws the third ball. So 3 balls are there in the sky. Now when he throws the 4th ball, he catches the first ball. That's how there are 3 balls in the sky. That is more than 2 balls, isn't it? So that's how it is. So time of throwing of 4th ball, equal to time of catching of first ball. है ना? तो 4th बॉल को कब फेंकेगा? 4th बॉल पहला बॉल 0 सेकेंड, दूसरा बॉल 2 सेकेंड, तीसरा बॉल 4 सेकेंड, है ना? फर्स्ट बॉल 0 सेकेंड, सेकेंड बॉल 2 सेकेंड, डेल्टा टी इज 2 सेकेंड ना. थर्ड बॉल, 4th बॉल 4, 6, तो 6 सेकेंड. तो फर्स्ट बॉल का जो टाइम ऑफ फ्लाइट है वो 6 सेकेंड है. Time of flight is 6 seconds. Time of flight is 2u by g. It is 6 seconds. So u is how much? देखो, g को he is telling to take as 9.8. Okay. So we can write down 3 into 9.8. How much it comes out to be? देखो. कितना?
29.4.
Yeah, it comes out to be more than 19.6. तो आंसर ए होगा. कैलकुलेट करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, ऑप्शन वैसा है. ठीक है?
Yes,
So
sir.
the answer will be more than 90.6. Okay. So ठीक है. Today let's stop here. Using this, I will start your Newton's laws. There are some questions from circular motion. Leave it. Leave it. If you know, do it. Otherwise, you leave it. Let's solve it after I teach you circular motion. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's stop here. Chalo. Bye.